Dear Slaters, before we start our session, listen to the given instructions carefully. Watch the video at least twice or thrice. It is not necessary to watch the whole video in one go. Pause the video wherever necessary to note down the points in the notebook. If you have any doubts, please write them and clarify those doubts with your teacher. Dear Slaters, welcome back to another interesting interactive session of Slate the School. We have learnt about various landforms in our previous videos. We have learnt about a village named Penugulu situated at the hills of Eastern Ghats. Dear children, can you tell me why Eastern Ghats are not a continuous chain of mountains? Yes, you are right. It is a broken chain of mountains due to many rivers which flow through it and drain in Bay of Bengal. Dear children, now answer the first question. What does the word Koya mean? Dear Slaters, we have learnt about Koyas. They are the tribal people who live in Penugulu village. They do Podu cultivation or shifting cultivation. Dear children, my next question is, what is shifting cultivation? The next question is, what are the reasons for the reduction of Podu area in recent years? The tribal people worship forest as a mother. As how a mother takes care of her children, forest also helps the tribes to survive and fulfill their needs. The forest helps them to earn their livelihood and provide them various forest products. They depend on forest produce for self-consumption as well as to sell in the market to earn some money. The forest is important to tribes in many ways. Dear Slaters, the next question is, write the importance of forest for people of Penugulu. As it is a hilly area, the people of Penugulu village get water from many natural springs which flows throughout the year. Though few springs get dried up in the summer. Bamboo is an important source of food and economy for the people at the village. They use bamboo for building houses, fences, etc. People also made baskets, windows, chicken coops, etc. Bamboo is also a main raw material for paper mill. This provides employment to the people to sustain. Dear children, name the few items which we can make with bamboos. The tribal people made houses of mud, bamboo, and thatch. They have different areas for rearing animals, growing vegetables in the kitchen garden. In hilly region, soil erosion is the main problem which arises frequently. They cannot use plough on the hilly regions due to the soil erosion which decreases the fertility of soil. Children, can you tell me what is soil erosion? Yes, you people are right. It means removal of topsoil by wind, water, human actions and animals. The tribal people of Penugulu worship gods of nature. The festival follow the changes in the season. They take care of forest. They celebrate Kodatala Panduga in September, in which they offer vegetables to their deity and then eat them. All major activities like sowing, harvest, collection of fruits from the forest, etc. begin after the festival. Dear Slaters, the next question is: write a note on Kadathala Panduga festival of Penugolu. School and other such facilities available in the villages are limited. They move to nearby towns for education. The life of these tribal people are under constant threat. Due to continuous deforestation and over-exploitation of bamboo by the paper mills, the forests are getting depleted, which means the forest cover is decreasing day by day. The forest officials also try to stop the Podu cultivation. Dear children, it was really interesting to learn about the life of people at Penugulu, which is very different from the life of people at Plains. Watch the videos and answer all the questions in the notebook.